The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services has released the 2025 Federal Poverty Guidelines. It's a measure of poverty established by the federal government that represents the minimum amount of gross income a family is determined to need for necessities like food, shelter, transportation, and clothing. It is adjusted each year based on the Consumer Price Index, and it varies by household size. The guidelines in the 2025 notice, the feds tell us, reflect the 2.9% price increase between calendar years 2023 and 2024. And on the screen, we're showing you what the numbers for 2025 look like. These are the annual federal poverty numbers based on household. So a household of one has a poverty threshold of $15,650, while a household of four is closer to $32,150. Now, there are different poverty guidelines if you are in Hawaii or Alaska. We link in the description below to those charts. These numbers are used for administrative purposes, most commonly for determining eligibility for community or federal programs like Medicaid. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services established the effective date of their guidelines as January 15th, 2025, and they were printed in the Federal Register on January 17th. Some states, agencies, or offices administering programs may set their own effective date. In the description below, not only a link to those poverty guidelines, but also our popular FPL Calculator, where you can do the math to determine your own eligibility for programs based on household size and gross income.